Hey guys, it's Miss Carpenter. I'm sorry that the Zoom failed today, but it is up and running, so we should be a go for tomorrow. I just wanted to make a recording of what we're doing today in case you didn't show up to our synchronous lesson. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my 8th grade Schoology page. Here's this week, and here's the Bitmoji classroom for the week. As always, I want you to be reading, so please complete your SSR. You're still looking at prefixes 6 through 10 in the 30, 15, 10 list. And I want you to complete your micro-write. I'm not going to go over that with this recording here. I just want to go over something that might be a little bit unclear. Now, we didn't get to it yesterday, but I wanted to revisit the Chadwick Boseman article that you read in Actively Learn. And you also see that I have another Kahoot here for you too. So I want you to go ahead and open that up. You might have to log in with Google again. Hopefully it'll be seamless this time and won't be like it was last time for some of you. But I want you to look, let me close that. You don't need to see my teacher notes there. We looked at it as readers the last time we read it. Oh, there's a bell. We looked at it as readers last time we read it. We talked about what the author's purpose was and what we got from it. Bless you. What it means to leave a legacy. But now I want you to look at it as a writer. Think to lessons that we've had in the past about ways that writers open up stories. And take a look at how this one is opened up. All right. This story is about Chadwick Boseman and the roles that he chose and the legacy that he left. But look at that beginning. Is that beginning about Chadwick Boseman? No, the author uses a different technique to open up this story. In your discussion in Schoology, I want you to tell me what that technique is. Okay, did I launch this? I did not. Here we go. Boom. Also, here's a Google Doc. This is a link to the personal narrative that we read near the beginning of school called Red Roses, the one about the girl that gets the flowers from the guy at school that everybody made fun of, and she held them all day anyways. We talked about lessons and themes that are learned from that. We talked about how personal narratives are a singular event, and it's significant because there's some kind of change that takes place. It could be a small change, it could be a big change, a change in the way of thinking, or one of those life will never be the same moments. That's looking at it as a reader. I want you to do with this personal narrative the same as what you did with the Chadwick Boseman article. Look at it as a writer. How does the writer hook you into the story? Okay, then you're going to go to the day for today. It's Wednesday already, guys. Already halfway done with the week. It's crazy how quickly time goes by. Here is that discussion pet. I want you to not only tell me what techniques are used in the Chadwick Boseman article and in the Red Roses story, but I also want you to research on the internet and find an example of another technique being used. Some of you in our synchronous lesson said that, you can begin with a question, or you can begin right in the middle of the action. Those are two perfect examples of different techniques that authors use to hook their readers in. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I will be sure to help you. Goodbye.